Alright guys, here we go again. Damn, look at this building all tore down from the wind. This is CrabZilla again. We're at the Sea Breeze Motel, and right now we're at Rockaway Beach. I'm doing a little vlog here at Rockaway Beach. Beautiful, beautiful little cove where I love to fish. This is my spot here. But man, that wave is gnarly, bruh. Look how crazy that looks. Oh my god. Okay, let me see. I'm turning into the sea at next Rockaway Beach Sea Breeze Hotel here. See? And we're gonna look at the waves out here. And that sky looks crazy. It looks like a really crazy sky right there. Ah, dude, don't take my spot. Geekish Morphus. Alright, here we are. Dang, look at that. It's raining today. Oh man, my windshield wipers suck. Dude, your windshield wiper sucks. Alright, hold on. Let me step outside so I could show you guys the mayhem, the terror. Alright, striped bass. Oh crap, it's raining. Oh man, it's raining. Wow. Look at the waves on that side. Okay, look right here. Wow. I'd be able to catch a perch out here. But see, you see the birds up there? They're flying real high. I'm trying to avoid all that splash. Yeah. But I'm going back in, man. It's raining. Alright, well, here's the Sea Breeze Hotel, Rockaway Beach. CrabZilla signing off. Right, Philly?
Right, man?
Yeah.